Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I've won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one.
Alright guys, just give me just a second. My dog is stuck under my bed, so just give me just a minute here. he is no longer stuck under my bed. So hopefully, I'll go ahead and switch over to this main screen right here. Let me fix this quick. All right. So yeah. Okay. So if we go ahead and take a look at what's happening across the country, for some reason, Corey Gurkin is in Chicago right now. Near Chicago. Apparently storm chasing. So let me go ahead and see what view he's got on this. This is his current view. I don't know why he's already storm chasing, but okay. Whoa, that 18-wheeler. But yeah. So there's some storms over there. I'm assuming that he's going towards. And then, let me make sure that we're picking up audio good. Which that's near La Crosse, Dubuque, Madison, Rockford, Wisconsin. I can't tell if he's in Illinois right now or if he's already in Wisconsin. But he's near one of those. He's right by Michigan City, Chicago. Yeah, he's in Illinois right now. I'm assuming he's trying to make it to Milwaukee to intersect these. I literally just had a massive brain fart and I could not think of that word. But yeah, intercept, not intersect. And then we've got some storms over here near Ohio, near Lorien, Cleveland, Kent, Medina, Strongsville, Fremont, Bettville, Triffin, Willard, Norwalk, areas like that are getting some moderate thunderstorms. Got some pretty strong storms in Tennessee near Truckers Crossroads, headed towards Watertown and Gordonsville. I don't know if that's where Gordon Ramsay lives or not, but head towards that. And then some storms coming towards Oneida and Winfield in Tennessee, I believe. Yeah. And then some light storms near Fayette, Tuscaloosa, Carlton, McMullen, I believe, Alabama, and then Scuba, Mississippi. Then we got some storms over here near South Carolina. All of these cities, which is going to be too much to roll out, but there's some strong storms in this whole entire area that I just circled. Not strong storms, but moderate storms. The strongest part of the storm is mainly over here. Whoa, I messed up. Mainly over here. So yeah. Sorry that this live stream was pretty late. It is because I had football practice today. Then there's some storms near Tucson, Arizona. Kind of starting to fire up. Tucson, however you pronounce that. Whoa. And then some storms near Utah, just south of Salt Lake City, near Provo and Nephi, and some storms in northern parts of Arizona near Flagstaff, Cameron, Pinnan, Manny Farms, Channel. Some storms up here near Denver, Colorado. This is mainly just rain showers. Actually, I believe most of the storms there are just rain showers. Some storms near South Dakota and North Dakota. With not storms, but They could have some lightning in them, but I don't see any sign of lightning in them currently. I can check actual radar though. Let's see. Yeah, these storms aren't really considered storms right now because they don't have any lightning in them. But yeah. And then, like I said, some storms near Wisconsin and areas like that. And then some storms near northern parts of Missouri. Mainly heavy rain. We can check velocity to see if these are real storms, but I don't feel like doing that right now. So I'm assuming they're just rain showers, heavy rain showers. And then I believe I already covered this, but some storms near Ohio. I call them storms, but they're mainly just rain. And we got some rain just off the coast of the Carolinas. I just drew like a weird shaped 8. Some storms off the coast of Carolina, the Carolinas, and Georgia. So yeah, they're getting some storms. Then we're gonna take a look at the tropical storm down here in a minute. But as you can obviously see, there's some rain in that, as well as moving down to southern parts of Florida, up into Jacksonville, which there was a pretty big low pressure system over here yesterday. Yeah, a pretty big low pressure system which was moving this way. So yeah, that might be the best arrow I've ever drawn on keyboard before in my life. But yeah. So if we go ahead and take a look at the blue band one, and we go fast time lapse, we should be able to see how it's rotating. We'll take a look at tropical tidbits in a minute though. Let me go ahead and show you all this real quick. Yeah, there's that low pressure system moving into Dothan, Alabama, I believe. Yeah, it's Alabama. Here's this low pressure system. Low pressure systems is basically what causes rain, and they rotate clockwise, I believe, or counterclockwise, something like that. Yeah, they rotate counterclockwise, and high pressure systems rotate clockwise. I'm going to go ahead and double check that just for y'all. Okay, so this is the northern hemisphere. Yeah, so they rotate. Low pressure systems rotate counterclockwise. So yeah, I was correct. So that is our low pressure system right there. Low pressure systems is what causes all the rain. High pressure systems is what kind of keeps things nice and hot. So yeah, if we go ahead and take a look at that time lapse, as you can see, it's rotating. Wait, this is me going backwards sometime. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, that is rotating counterclockwise. And then you can really see all these clouds start to fire up over here, which is what's causing that tropical depression to be there, or tropical disturbance right now. The chance of it forming into a real tropical storm are very low right now. If we go ahead and take a look at this model, especially right here, you can see the sound pretty loud. I'm assuming not too But can I not like zoom in on it or something? Like, okay, just want to zoom in on it, but I need to learn how to zoom in on this. Golly, that's going fast. So apparently there is another low pressure system right over here in that area. So yeah. Oh, that's what that does. It picks up the speed of it. But yeah, as you can see over here, I believe, in just a second, you'll be able to see that low pressure system. Here's the high pressure system over here, and then there will be a low pressure system that comes across this way, which is what began all this tropical stuff. Give it just a second. I'm going to try to pause it on it. Okay, there's that low pressure system right there. Which is what is causing that. And we could see when this makes landfall, it'll make landfall over here near Texas and Louisiana in this little red box. So yeah, that's where it will make landfall. And then, sorry, my LED lights are doing something weird, but flash alert. Alright, what's the most recent? Alright, well, so yeah. But overall, the chance of this actually forming a tropical storm are pretty low. And we're not really too worried about any sort of tropical storm. So yeah, just know that that's not going to cause any tropical storms, and we're not really worried about it. So yeah, just know that. And then okay, now if we go ahead and take a look at our outlooks for today, our categorical outlook for today is there's a slight risk over here, which is where Corey Gerkson is chasing. Let me go ahead and take him off the screen real quick. Corey Gherkin, I think, something like that. But he's trying to head up into, I believe he is over here somewhere right now. He was near Chicago, Illinois, and he's trying to head up towards Milwaukee over here and try to intersect those storms. I keep saying intersect. It's intercept. Trying to intercept those storms. So that's what he's doing. And then there's another slight risk over here. Overall, the chance of me going live today are pretty slim, and I don't believe that I will be going live any other time today. But both of these yellow slight risk could bring in potential for some heavy thunderstorms, heavy rain showers. And then the this marginal dark green risk could bring a potential for some moderate thunderstorms and moderate to heavy rain showers. Nothing too crazy. Then the light green overall in the United States could bring a potential for some light thunderstorms, light to moderate rain showers. Could be heavy at times, but overall the chance of them being heavy are pretty slim. And then if we take a look at our tornado outlook for today, oh, actually I might be going live today because there's a pretty big chance for some tornadoes over here. There's a brown 5% risk. So if I do go live today, we'll look at the timing on that later on in this video, or later on in this live stream on the timing for this, but there is a chance for some EF3 tornadoes to form in this. We could see up to EF4, but overall the chance of EF4s are not going to be too high today. And then the dark green could bring a potential for EF1 to EF2 tornadoes, as well as the one over here near Denver and Cheyenne, however the crap you say that. The wind outlook, there's a chance for some 60-mile-per-hour winds in some of these areas. Or not in some of these areas, but the 60% chance. The chance of 60-mile-per-hour winds are in the two areas that I've circled over here, and over here in the yellow areas. But yeah, and then there's a chance for some golf ball sized hail in the brown areas. Moving later on into the day. Wait, I said golf ball sized hail. I meant to say 30 to 40 mile per hour winds. This is the hail outlook. There's a chance for some golf ball sized hail up there. The chance for hail is not too likely up there. Then the chance for some tennis ball sized hail is likely over here near Colorado and Denver and Colorado. And then the chance for some golf ball sized hail is in here and over here. If we go ahead and take a look at our categorical outlook for tomorrow, this basically just means that's a chance for severe weather. There's not too crazy of a chance for severe weather. So yeah, but that could bring some moderate thunderstorms and moderate to heavy rain showers. Mainly moderate but heavy at times, and then the light green everywhere else in the United States could bring a potential for some light thunderstorms, light to moderate rain showers. Mainly light rain showers, though it could be heavy at times. But yeah. Then if we go ahead and take a look at our tornado outlook for tomorrow, there's a chance for some tornadoes up there near New York and Vermont. We could see up to EF1 or EF2 tornadoes up there. And then we could see a chance for some 30 to 40 mile per hour winds. We could even see up to 50 mile per hour winds in the brown area, but mainly up to 30 or 40. And then the chance for hail tomorrow, there's a chance for some, this is for today. There's apparently not a chance for hail tomorrow at all. So just be aware of that. And then the wind. I already covered the wind, but yeah. The tornado threat for today, though, is pretty high. And we could see up to EF2 or EF3 tornadoes in this area. And some EF1 tornadoes in that green and this green. We might even have a chance for up to EF4, one at least low end EF4 or very high end EF3. But overall, the chance for me going live today is probably around an 82%. I said around an 82%. Around 80% or a little bit more. Then for 3 days from now, the chance for severe weather is not very likely. But obviously, this is 3 days ahead of us, and it's kind of hard to predict the weather that could happen up to 3 days before. But overall, this is looking like it could be just some light thunderstorms and moderate rain showers. So nothing too crazy. And if we go ahead and take a look down here at this tropical storm, as you can see, there's a low pressure system over here rotating currently. Low pressure systems rotate counterclockwise. This is near Dothan, Alabama, and Columbus, Georgia, near Albany, and just north of Tallahassee, which could bring some rain showers and moderate thunderstorms to the southeastern areas like Alabama and Mississippi. And then this tropical storm right here, it's a tropical depression right now, but the chance of it actually turning into a hurricane or any tropical storm is very low. And we could see it moving into, here's where it mainly is currently. We could see it moving into New Orleans, even onto later in the afternoon today. And then we could see it moving up into areas near Dallas and areas like that. So yeah, that's basically all we're going to be talking about for today. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this stream. And we are going to go ahead and head on to the outro. But let me go ahead and do something real quick because it's going to want. So yeah, that's going to be all for the stream for today. This is Cruz Haynes with US Weather here signing off. As always, stay safe.
Money that I don't accept. 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 Something.